Turning to some health news now, just in the past few hours, we have learned a 9-year-old girl from Claremont County is the first child in Ohio to die from the flu this season. According to the Ohio Department of Health, flu activity, it often peaks between December and February here in Ohio. Since the season started, more than 900 influenza-related hospitalizations alone have been reported in the state. And tonight, doctors are seeing, an uptick in respiratory viruses such as flu, COVID, and RSV. This is part of the holiday surge that really they've come to expect, they say. Matt Rascone has more on what to do if you're sick or trying to avoid it heading into the New Year's celebrations this weekend.
It's just that normal post-holiday bump that we always see every year.
Colder weather and more gatherings indoors.
Viruses thrive in this environment and they spread like wildfire.
It's part of the recipe for more illnesses after Christmas and before New Year's.
All the viruses just like, yay! People to hang out with.
But she says there's still plenty to do to try to avoid or lessen the impact of things like COVID, flu, and RSV.
Just taking basic hygienic precautions, coughing into our elbow, washing our hands, wearing a mask when we don't feel well.
But if you are feeling good, Dr. David Margolius with Cleveland's Public Health Department says don't be afraid to get out and enjoy the celebrations.
We want to make sure that people are not experiencing isolation the way that they have over the last few years.
He says if you have a fever, a runny nose, cough, or sore throat, you're probably contagious and you may want to opt for a movie at home.
So long as my symptoms are mild and in the upper part of my respiratory tract, I am low risk for complications.
But if you are high risk with heart or lung disease or live with someone who is, knowing what's causing your symptoms can be important to get treatment early and prevent it from spreading to the wrong people.
Do your best to not get someone else sick.
Both doctors say it's not too late to get the COVID vaccine or the flu shot this season, but it is too late for protection this weekend. Matt Rascone, 3 News.